Thank you very much for allowing us to be here today as your guests in Divčibade and in Valjevo, in the municipality and the country in Serbia. So thank you very much for allowing us to be here as your guests. Deputy Mayor, thank you, as well as everyone else from the community. Ambassador Cameron, I appreciate your presence with me on the stage and today, as well as my fellow panelists. So first and foremost, it's important that the international partner brings in best practice from around the world. It's critical that we bring in the best technology and the best capability to make sure that any projects which are developed are built to international standard. That's number one. Number two, it's about bringing on board the community alongside you as a key partner. Without the community, as Adnan mentioned earlier on his speech, without the community, there is no project. Without buying and understanding and awareness, there is no project. So this is why I'm really thankful for the opportunity today to be on the stage and have this conference with yourselves to start talking about the opportunity for geothermal in Valjevo and Western Serbia more broadly.